Machine learning sounds like something only tech giants understand. But here's the secret. It's simply how computers learn from examples, just like people do. By the end of this video, you'll know what's really happening behind tools like ChatGPT, Netflix recommendations, and fraud detection systems, and how you can use the same principles in your own business. Machine learning, or ML, is the engine that makes AI useful. Instead of following rigid instructions, an ML model studies past data and figures out patterns on its own. You give it examples, emails labeled spam or not spam, products that sold well or didn't, and it learns the rules by itself. For entrepreneurs, that means you can build systems that improve over time without writing new code. 1. Learn from examples, not commands. Tools like Google Cloud AutoML or Teachable Machine let you upload sample data, say, photos of damaged versus healthy products, and the system learns to classify future images. No coding, just drag, drop, and train. 2. Different kinds of learning. Supervised learning predicts known outcomes, e.g., Big Mel Bao forecasting next month's sales. Unsupervised learning finds hidden patterns, like the Tableau GPT clustering customer behavior. Dash reinforcement learning uses trial and error, exactly how OpenAI's Jim trains bots to master games or supply chain routing. 3. Everyday ML in your workflow. Want automatic invoice categorization? QuickBooks AI already does it. Need to spot customer churn before it happens? Pecan AI predicts it from your CRM data. ML isn't distant research. It's running quietly inside tools you use daily. 4. Smarter marketing and operations. Machine learning-based platforms such as HubSpot AI or Adobe Sensei analyze campaign data in real time and tell you which audiences respond best, saving thousands in ad spend. 5. Human plus machine equals exponential results. You don't have to be a data scientist, you just need curiosity. The best companies pair domain experts with ML tools to turn intuition into measurable prediction. Machine learning is not magic. It's a repeatable process that helps you see the future a little earlier. When you understand how it works, you stop fearing the buzzwords and start experimenting. Feed it data, observe results, refine, repeat, and you'll be using ML like the big players.